Hey there, come on in. Let me show you around. So, first thing we have in here is the refrigeration. Keep everything nice and tidy. And over here, the washer-dryer combo is always nice to have. And the microwave. And let me show you this way. Milos's room, the Zodiac Killer as you guys know him. Christ! His dog bowl, in case, in the fact that he doesn't go to the bathroom on the floor, then he gets a little dog bowl note for him. Here's the couch in the living area. Fully furnished in the radio and the toaster. Out here in the patio is ready for use. And down this way you'll find my room. This is right here. It's nice, not too much going on in here, but is this your card? Down this way we have Owen Zimmerman's room. It's nice. Good lighting in here. Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Now, each room has its own bath. Its own bathroom. And I think that might conclude this 2019-2020 room tour for the boys at IU. Thanks for tuning in.